Hello everyone, this is Guillaume from DataMa. Happy to present you today our Tableau extension. DataMa is a software company that helps you fasten your analysis, and in particular your digital analysis. So I'm gonna go straight into Tableau. Imagine you're a company that has AdWords campaign, so you basically acquire traffic on your website through keywords and campaigns and things, and so you have a set of metrics that are the number of impressions that you do on the search engine. You have a number of clicks on those campaigns. You have a conversion of people coming from you on your website, and you have an associated revenue. So you see those 4 steps are in order of a kind of a funnel. You could have much more than 4 steps. You could have only 2. Everything or even 1. Everything depends on your use case. But the logic is to say, okay, I want to finally explain my revenue, but my revenue can be split into a series of sub KPIs or PIs that are the volume of impressions, the click rate, the conversion rate, and the revenue per conversion, per purchase. Okay, and so the use case we have here, we have a series of dimensions. But say I want to basically understand why the revenue has dropped year over year. Okay, and I'm gonna just filter on some specific months, because we are in September, so I'm gonna remove the end of the year. Okay, sorry for the French names here. And then I have a series of dimensions that I can split on. I can split that by campaign. I can split that by format of the campaign. It can be text, it can be images, and I have names of campaign 1A, 1B, 2A, 2B. Okay, and the typical question I get when I'm the data analyst is, okay, could you explain me what's driving the gap, where it comes from, where did we lose people? Was it on impression? Was it on click rate? Was it on conversion rate? Was it on the average basket? Or and once you know that, once you know at which step of the funnel you lose people, you also want to know which dimension or combination of dimension is driving this. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do that really quickly. So I'm gonna drag and drop that source that we just built together. I'm gonna drag and drop the DataMa extension that you can get on our website. And DataMa will basically answer that question that we just say, which is why revenue is dropping year over year. And we're going to do that really quickly. Okay, DataMa will show you that into waterfall. There's much more way to show that in DataMa, but you have basically a really visual way to explain that drop of minus 13% of revenue year over year for 2019 to 2020, split by steps, as we said. Main thing comes from clicks per impression here. And then the next question I get when I'm a data analyst is what's driving that drop of click per impression. I'm gonna click on that click per impression. I'm gonna drill down, and that helps me prioritize the dimension in that case, or the combination of dimension in that case. That helps me understand that the combination of dimension is the most interesting, because actually campaign 2B on images has dropped 4 times faster than the average, minus 80% on click rate, when the average was doing minus 20%, and that is a big reason. Main explanation comes from here. So I've been really quickly in understanding where the drop came from. I'm just gonna reload that so you can see other capabilities that we have in DataMa, and you can even get in DataMa basically the bullet point that are associated to that same analysis. So get revenue has decreased by minus 30%, and click per impression has decreased minus 19%. That's the main driver, and in that step, then etc. Okay, and cool thing is that of course it's since it is an extension of DataMa, it is dynamic depending on on the months that you're going to select. So remove February, then it will recompute and change the KPIs that you get there. You can get much more thing in DataMa through the different tools that we develop. Understand the significance of the variation you get there. But that's another story. I just wanted to demo that extension. You can go on our website, understand what we do there, and we will be really happy to connect with you, understand your use case, and at any rate, the demo I've just done for you is free to download on our website. So thanks a lot for your time. Happy to chat, comment, and like on that video, and talk to you in another one. Thanks a lot. Bye.